Hey, how's it going, folks? Well, we do have a giveaway right now with our wonderful friends over at Homage. What Homage does is they make a lot of throwback merchandise for a lot of different sports teams, pop culture, as well as WWE. And we've teamed up with them to do a giveaway on some WWE merchandise. Link in the description for you to enter. This is available for those inside the United States. No purchase is necessary. You just need to enter in the link below and you will be receiving a sweatshirt, a t-shirt, and a pair of socks from our friends at Homage. We're going to get into this package real quick here. First of all, you got these Rock'em socks. These are NWO socks made by Rock'em, as you can see there. So they do have the NWO logo on there, a splatter design at the bottom. These will look good with a nice pair of kicks. You got those NWO socks there by Rock'em from our friends at Homage. Next up, let's take a look here. This is a throwback right here. It is an official licensed WCW Nitro shirt. It is like a heather gray. It is made of 50% polyester, 25% cotton, 25% rayon. Super soft. Has that classic WCW Nitro logo. You have the Homage little logo on the arm sleeve. Official WWE licensed product from our friends at Homage. This will be given away. And last but not least, this is a beautiful piece here. It is a crew neck sweater. The Nature Boy Ric Flair crew neck sweater, two-tone color, light gray and heather gray. It's got the Ric Flair logo on the front. It's got the nice Homage emblem right there. Super soft, super comfortable. Ric Flair sweater, officially licensed by WWE and our friends at Homage. And last but not least, this isn't a giveaway, but this is something that they threw in the package. They got the little sticker right here, and they got a classic baseball card set, 1989 Major League Baseball score. So I guess they just wanted to throw that in the mix there. If you win this prize pack, they will be sending this out to you. The contest does end on March 1st. Link in the description. If you want to check out all the WWE merchandise, you can click on the link down there, homage.com as well. Save 20% off using the promo code HealByNature20. Let me know what you think of this awesome prize pack in the comments below, and good luck.